Time perspective, principle of time perspective. In economics, we have short run and long run. Short run means within 1 year, and long run means 2 to 3 years or more than 3 years, 5 years. These are called long run. Medium term are also there. Short term, medium term, long term. Short term within 1 year, medium term 1 to 2 year, and long term means 5 years, over 5 year periods. So time perspective principle is also very much important in economics. Time perspective in economics refers to the considerations of the timing of costs and benefits associated with decisions. You may be wondering what is the cost and benefit associated with time. Suppose you have selling business, manufacturing business, and you manufacture suppose some kind of juices or beverages or cool drinks. If you manufacture cool drinks, if you are selling at 10 rupees normal price, regular sale price is 10 rupees. But now if you are reducing the price to 5 rupees just for the offer, so it will have an impact on the long run also, because people may buy in the short run because of reducing the price, but in the long run they may not buy, they will still wait for reduction in the prices. So this the decision taken in the short run will have the impact on the long run. Whatever the decisions you are taking in the long run, you will have its impact on the long run. So you have to take the decisions very carefully, keeping in mind the long run and short run time period of the business. It recognizes that the value of money changes over time due to factors such as inflation, interest rates, and the opportunity cost of capital. The inflation rate is the purchasing power of the money goes down as long as the time passes by. Suppose the purchasing power of money of rupees 100 at present is to buy 1 kg of apple today. 1 kg of apple can be bought with 100 rupees. So after 1 year, suppose you can buy only half kg. The value of 100 rupees is same, but the purchasing power of 100 money has reduced because of the time. The time has increased and the value of money has gone down. The value has decreased. The money is same. Money is 100 rupees only. The rupee is 100 rupees. But its value of purchasing, the power value, the purchasing power of that 100 rupees is decreasing because of the time, because of the inflation. Example, assessing the long term benefits of investing in employee training versus the immediate cost incurred. Suppose if we invest in the long term training of the employees, training is very much essential for employees to do the work smoothly. If the employees are not trained, they may not do the work properly. They may have certain kind of confusions which may disrupt the business activities. So we have to give the employees complete training so that they can do the work with full confidence and without any errors. So investing in the employee training, we have to invest because training is not free. Training the employees will not come free of cost. We have to incur the training cost also. So if we want to invest in employee training, long term investment training, then the immediate cost incurred. So if you are just taking shortcut method to solve the problem rather than training the employee, then you will face negative outcome. If you invest in the employees for long term training, it will be beneficial for long years, because the employee, as long as the employee continue to work, it will benefit to you. So the decisions taken in the short run has the impact over the long run.